dust, I roll over on my side, crawling toward a clock that stopped, in hopes I can shift gears quick enough to make something of myself in one last desperate shot, lifting what weight I have left. I stagger through these empty halls and brace the walls you once braced me in, for just a chance they won't fall. These picture frames are just memories I choose to keep in boxes, rather than moments of beauty my soul could experience. But all of my life, all these years, I should have reflected on these, not the idol that's cased in a 36-inch screen. Is there time to redeem? Is there enough of me left worth saving? Here I am waiting, nothing to lose. Then a voice out of nowhere shouts, "Life's greater than you. You wasted your time, but you're still on my clock. Now go run the race with all that you've got. Just open your heart and I'll breathe life in your chest. I'll breathe life in your chest." Gone by, I'm still here rebuilding what I've torn down for years. A naked frame on bedrock lays my new foundation. Christ remains. With every nail that's pounded in, I watch my Savior steal my sin. And while the dust is swept away, I feel the love His death betrayed.